Hello to everyone, we have here today ultimate speed mini compressor UMK 10A1. It operates just from 12 volts connection from your car or cigarette lighter. A lot of cars has this connection at the back of the car. In my case it's the same. And just here you can see when you can use this air compressor. So for example, for the ball and for the wheel in your car. You has also freeze if something happen with this compressor, so 3 years warranty. Okay, we can check what is inside. If you want to buy the same compressor, you can check my link below the video on the Amazon, and we can see inside the new manometer when you has in bar of C till 8, 9, 10, so it's from 0 to 10. Also some connections for the bow, for the kayaks, and for the bicycle, I think, if you're riding. And then we can check the length. So this is too short. If you input inside the, you can close it like this. And also you have here the connection for the your car 12 volts connection. Okay, we can check also how does it look like. So we have here just some information. Europe conformity or confirmation, and when some anti-vibration screw, and of course where to turn on, we can check. And yes, right here you can find the turn on button. Okay, and something is inside, some papers or documents. I think some instructions for using. So as I said, for bicycle 2, so you can find here some instructions for the using. So very nice. So next video I will show you how to work, how is work this compressor, and thank you for the watching, and don't forget to subscribe for the next video. Thank you, see you, bye.